Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super soft fluffy scarf using loop yarn. It will be the easiest scarf you'll ever make. It builds up fast and turns out so gorgeous, which makes it the perfect cozy gift for your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I'd love to hear from you, so let me know if you'll make it and how you like the tutorial. Go ahead and grab your loop yarn. Arrange the yarn in a way that all the loops are facing upward and your yarn ball is on your right side. Pick the number of loops you want for the width of your scarf. So for example, I picked 8. You can pick any number you want. And now we are going to work our way up. So I have 8 loops at the base of my scarf, and I'm going to be working the next 8 loops on my yarn into the ones at the base. So this is my 8th loop, and I'm going to pull the 9th loop through the 8th loop, like this. And then we are going to work the next one, so simply pull the next loop through the next loop on your base. As you can see, it's pretty easy. So I have 6 more loops on the base, and I'm going to pull the next 6 loops on my yarn into the ones at the base. So this one goes through this one, and so on. Continue doing that, and your base is complete. And don't forget to straighten up all your loops at the end of every round. As you can see, it's a very straightforward and easy process, so for the next round, repeat everything we did for the first one. I'm going to pull the next free loop on my yarn into the first loop on my round. Like this, and continue that with the next 7 loops to finish the second round. This is how my scarf is looking so far. So for the third round, I'm just going to repeat round 1, and we'll be working from right to left. So pull the first free loop on your yarn into the first loop on your scarf. And continue that with the next 7 loops to finish round 3. When your scarf is as long as you want it to be, we are going to finish off the last round like this. If your free yarn is on your right side, start from the left side and simply pull every right loop through the left loop like this. So the right loop goes through the left loop. When you're done, we are going to cut the yarn to finish off. Cut the yarn after the first free loop on your yarn, here. Now, as you can see, there is this small thread that makes every loop, this white line. I'm going to cut this one to open my loop. So I have a bit of a straight yarn and I'm going to insert that into the last remaining loop like this and pull tight. And now we are going to weave in this little part into the scarf. You can tie a few knots to make sure it's all secured. If you're done with your scarf, but your free yarn is on your left, start from the right side and simply pull every left loop through the right one, like this. Now let's get started on the fringe. I'm going to open up 3 of these loops on my yarn for every fringe. So as you can see, there is this small thread that makes every loop on your yarn. Right here, do you see that white thread? We are going to cut that. And your loops turn into straight yarn. Repeat that with the next 2 loops. And then we are going to cut this piece of straight yarn from the rest of your yarn to make the first fringe. This is going to be super easy, so start from the corner of your scarf, insert your yarn here, make sure each side is even, and now we are going to tie a knot, just like this. Make more of this to complete your fringe. And then your scarf is done. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have, and I would love to hear your feedback on this tutorial.